How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Key Studio YouTube channel. My name is Key, and today we're going to get into a really quick tutorial for anyone out there who wants to make their own manga or comic book or anything like that. This is the video for you. I'm going to show you all how to get started. This is just going to be the very basic steps to do this, and the easiest way, in my opinion, or to my knowledge. We're going to be using a program, Clip Studio Paint. Now, you can get Clip Studio Paint for a 30-day free trial. And then if you decide to keep it, you can actually only pay $50 for a lifetime license, which is really cool in my opinion. Or if you want to go with the EX version, which is going to be, I want to say $200, but for $200 you get a powerful program that can compete with Photoshop itself when it comes to drawing and stuff like that and creating comics. And I honestly believe, personally, this is much easier and better to create comics and manga and stuff like that than Photoshop. So if you don't want to pay a subscription to Photoshop, I definitely recommend getting this program. Again, it's called Clip Studio Paint. You can get a 30-day free trial if you just go to their website. I'll put the website in the description below. Mind you, this is not a sponsored video, so everything I say here are my own opinions. But yeah, so when you go into Clip Studio Paint, you actually get into the paint section, right? You just go to File, New, and this is going to bring up this section here. And you just want to go over to Comic, and they already give you a pre-laid out template. You can change the settings and stuff like that. You can change the sizes and everything. You can change the resolution, whatever you want to do. But yeah, we're not going to change any of that. I just want to get in really quick and show you the tools and everything, right? So when you get in here, it's going to look kind of like this. You have your like your different tabs and stuff like that, your different layers or whatever. Now you want to go over here to frame border, which is pretty cool because you can actually just get this and bam, and it actually locks to the frames and the borders and everything like that, right? So you can just do something like that and bam, you have yourself a panel now, which is really cool, right? Let's say you get a pencil and you start drawing. You can't draw outside of this at all, so they help you a lot with that. And then if you just wanted to create a new border, guess what? We just go back over here. And then we create a new one. And then they allow you to draw within that one. And then, you know, we create some more. And there we go. Now we have ourselves a comic page. They also have different shapes. So this one here, you can create your own. So let's say, I don't know, you have a panel, then you want to draw like a smaller panel with inside that panel, or if you just want to create your own shape of a panel, you can do that. Now also they have pretty cool things like this, so you can actually just draw your own speech bubble. Well, you can draw your speech bubbles here, and then you can just kind of add that balloon. Bam. Now also, obviously, text tools, you can type. And again, these are just very basic tools that I'm showing you right now. You can actually, let me see if I can zoom into this really. There we go. There is a way to actually get this to connect with this properly. But if you want to know all of that, definitely leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will upload a newer video or a different video showing you I guess more in depth about this program and how to create comics. But like I said, I just wanted to hop on here and just show you the very basic steps of creating a comic or a manga within Clip Studio Paint, because like I said, I honestly believe it's one of the easiest ways to do this, and one of the more streamlined ways to do it. So yeah, definitely check out Clip Studio Paint. Like I said, I'm going to put the description to the website. I'm going to put the website in the description below. But yeah, if you have any questions, anything like that, you want to see more, definitely keep it locked here on Key Studios, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.